Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. Today we are going to discuss basic Excel text functions, replace and substitute. Replaces characters specified by location in a given text or a string with another text string, whereas substitute replaces specific text in a string. Let's try it out in Excel to find the difference and where to use which functions. Here in this column order client product, you will get order ID which starts from O and it's 4 character in length, and client ID starts from C and it is also 4 character in length, and product ID starts from P and it is 6 character in length. Let's replace the client ID which starts from C and it has 4 character in length with another substring. Let's do it using replace function. Equal, then replace, then all select the old text, then comma, then start number from which we want to replace the character. Here it starts from C, which is placed in 5th position, then number of characters, that is 4 in length, with new text, that is the new text is xxxx. Put the new text in double quote, then close the parenthesis, hit enter. So here you can see all the client ID is replaced with xxxx. Let's try the substitute function. Substitute. Okay, the first parameter is text, then the old text that we here, it's not asking the position number or number of characters. Here it's asking old text and new text which we want to replace. Here you can say CAAA, place the text in double quote, then comma, then new text. Let's say it's YYYY. Put it in double quote, then comma, and close the parenthesis. Instant number is not mandatory, it's optional. Close the parenthesis, hit enter. Whenever the client ID is CAA, it's placed with YYYY. So when we know the character place and number of character that we want to replace, we can use replace function. When we know the substring or a text which we want to replace from a string or text, then we can use substitute function. That's all for today. Thank you.